Our brain can be fast, even on those days where you seem to make Homer Simpson be totally switched on. And there are some simple things that you can do to get your brain into basically super speed mode. Start by looking after your body. Some exercise and a reasonably good diet will help. If too much of your thought process is what you're going to eat next and where's the next sugar rush coming from, then that basically won't help your mind function at its full potential, because it's thinking about food and it's trying to do all those carbs. Then keep your mind engaged. Talk to someone, ideally in real life, but a Skype or a WhatsApp call will do. And have a proper conversation rather than just asking about the weather and what you might be doing over the plans for the weekend or whatever. Something closer to a debate will help the process, and there's plenty of things to talk about. And doing puzzles regularly is another way to keep your mind focused and sharp. Puzzles stretch your mind, and there are plenty of sites and plenty of apps that you can use to keep the challenge levels high enough. And the opposite of that is to give your mind a break every now and then. And a power nap is a good way to do that, maybe not quite as power nap as that guy. And I've put a link below this video to a 10-minute guided power nap, because basically you can get all the benefits of this way to relax, and it is really relaxing without having to worry about overrunning the time because it's guided. Starting a new hobby is another option that you should definitely consider, and that'll force your mind to start learning something new while you're enjoying yourself, and that's the best way to learn things. Another option is click the link below this video. There you'll get a free audio, a free video and a free workbook that are all designed to help you unlock your inner genius. Try it, go on, it's free and it works.